It's cold outside, but toasty warm at 168 Chester Avenue in Kentville. This cozy home has lots of character and modern upgrades throughout. You'll find 3 bedrooms with the option of having the master on the main floor and a den or office upstairs with a half bath. Main floor has a nice bright open kitchen that overlooks the backyard, formal dining, and a living room with a wood stove. Large deck, fenced yard, and an attached garage, all within walking distance to downtown Kentville and easy highway access at exit 13. Book your private viewing of this lovely home. You won't be disappointed.